done it all. I wake up. Yeah.
What up, YouTube? Welcome back to another Stunt Lot Seed Time here in beautiful, there it is, downtown Tampa. Rookie Rebel here, Drew, Hector, myself. We're in the middle of downtown. This is a city parking lot. I'm gonna see if we cannot get kicked out today. I got Hector on the camera, so worst comes to worst, we'll just say we're doing a photo shoot and hopefully they buy that. Can't find my other gloves, so we're gonna go America, unite the whole YouTube with the simplicity of some patriotic gloves. I basically just want to kind of practice today with the idea or the goal of scraping. I don't think I will scrape, but I'm gonna get my foot brake all locked in and you know, see how far back I can get and all that stuff. Maybe coast. This is all foot brake. First wheelie of the day. I just got to get familiar with the drop back. I'm a little scared. Definitely more confident with the foot brake. Every time I take photos here, I got to edit this out.
Little baby steps.
Yeah, I'm not doing the baby steps. You look stupid.
You could do no-handers going that slow if you turn your idle up a little bit.
All my wheelie career, I've always teetered underneath balance point and just dipped it in the balance point, then kept it underneath. But now I'm starting to try to get it to the coaster.
Yeah, you're actually fucking up there.
Yeah, where it's like floating, and then hopefully by the end of the night I'll try to get a little bit past it without fucking freaking out.
Scrape it, scrape it.
Scrape? I'm trying to get back, but I don't know where it's at.
You're pretty close.
Do you whip it back fast?
No.
Like you think I should go like slow and just keep getting further and further back?
The best way to do it is just let off the brake until you can just like, you know, just let yourself fall back. And you fall back a little too quick, try to catch it, but just barely. Don't let go of the bike.
I got to get past that little hurdle, that mental block. It's hard. Oh, I think I was recording any of that. Oh, well, you got it. That's good enough. All right, YouTube. I didn't record any of that, apparently. Good job, GoPro. Scrapes. I did it. I did it.
Yeah!
There you go.
Now keep your feet on the pegs and do the same thing.
Oh! Oh my God. Ah.
Fuck yeah! Oh, it's not a human? Hey, you're getting it.
All right, man, I appreciate it. Thanks for the help. See if you can get like a picture. That's a good feeling. Yeah, boy. That was fast too. I'm gonna try to go faster. Ow! Fast is not better.
I know, that's what I fucked up. When I first started spraying, I was like, okay, let me go faster. I think it's the whole thing. I thought they were gonna run into me.
I thought it was too. That's why I bailed. I thought I was gonna hook right to you. Oh man, there goes. Look.
Oh, no.
All my bars are fucking bent. Alright. That's good enough for tonight. Whatever, man. I'm gonna save that. Random comment. You get this and some loopy stickers. Comment down below. Alright, guys. Until the next one. Stunt Lot Sea time. Success. Boop.
Connected.